Ever wondered why time only moves forward and never backward? It's a question that has intrigued us for centuries. Time, as we understand it, is a fundamental aspect of our universe. It's a constant and unceasing force that moves everything in its path, from the tiniest subatomic particles to the most massive galaxies in the cosmos. But time is more than just a relentless march forward. It's one part of the space-time continuum, an interweaving of space and time that forms the very fabric of our universe. Every action we take, every decision we make, is influenced by this elusive force. It's like an invisible river, flowing around us, through us, carrying us along in its current. Yet, despite its omnipresence, time remains an enigma. A puzzle that continues to baffle the brightest minds in science and philosophy. It's a mystery that's as old as the universe itself. Time, it seems, is an enigma that continues to puzzle scientists and philosophers alike. So what exactly is time? Well, imagine this. You're sitting in a bustling coffee shop, the aroma of freshly ground beans wafting through the air. You hear the clink of cups, the murmur of conversations, the hiss of the espresso machine. All these happenings, these moments are unfolding in a particular order, one after the other. And that, dear listener, is a simple way to understand time. In the grand scheme of things, time is a measure of change. It is the ticking clock that records the transformation of a seed into a towering tree, the shift from day to night, the progression of seasons. It is the silent witness to the ceaseless dance of atoms and galaxies alike. But let's bring it back down to earth for a moment. In our everyday lives, we perceive time as a linear sequence, a journey from the past, through the present, and into the future. It's like we're all on a train, chugging along on tracks of time. We can look out the window at the shrinking scenery of the past, feel the rush of the present as it whizzes by, or squint into the distance at the blurry outlines of the future. Yet time is more than just a sequence. It's a framework, a scaffold on which we hang our events, our memories, our plans. It gives context to our existence, helping us make sense of the world around us. It allows us to arrange our experiences, to differentiate between the morning's breakfast and last year's summer vacation. But here's the thing. While we perceive time in a linear fashion, it doesn't mean it's the only way to experience it. After all, we're talking about a concept that has puzzled some of the greatest minds in history, a concept that continues to challenge our understanding of the universe. Time, in essence, is the heartbeat of the universe, the rhythm to which everything dances. From the smallest particles to the largest galaxies, from the briefest moments to the longest eons, everything moves to the beat of this cosmic metronome. And so we continue our dance, our journey, through the enigma that is time. Why does time matter, you may ask? Well, let's delve into this. Time is a fundamental pillar in numerous fields, from the precise calculations in physics to the profound musings in philosophy. In physics, it's a critical dimension that helps us understand the universe, its origins, and its potential future. Without time, theories of relativity would crumble, and our understanding of space would be incomplete. Beyond the scientific realm, time permeates our everyday lives. It dictates our routines, from when we rise with the sun and retire to bed, to when we eat our meals. It governs our work schedules, our leisure, and our milestones. It's a silent conductor, orchestrating the symphony of our lives. Time is a silent yet powerful force, shaping not just our individual lives, but also the very fabric of the universe. It's a dimension we navigate every moment, every day. Without time, life as we know it would be impossible. So, to sum up our discussion on time, we've navigated through the labyrinth of time's enigma, shedding light on its elusive nature. We've unpacked the complex concept of time, revealing its role as a measure of change, a silent conductor orchestrating the symphony of the cosmos. We've also delved into the profound importance of time. It's not just a ticking clock or a fleeting moment, but a fundamental aspect of our universe. It's a thread woven into the fabric of our existence, a dimension that shapes our lives and our understanding of the universe. We've explored how time, in its relentless march forward, shapes everything from the smallest atomic particles to the expansive universe. It's the invisible force that propels us forward, a constant companion on our journey through life. While time may continue to be a mystery, one thing is clear. It is an integral part of our existence, and without it, we would be lost in the cosmos.